Alright guys, and welcome back to Scotty Knows. Back over here working on the Civic. Actually went to Lowe's and picked up some more grommets here I'm going to use to put in the plastics to finish up the fuel system. But in the last video, we got the new axle installed here on the passenger side. I'm going to go ahead and put these grommets in for the fuel tank plastics, and that way I can just finish that up and be done with that. And then we're going to hop on here to the driver's side axle. So hopefully that should be pretty easy and we should be getting some work done. So stay tuned and let's hop under the rear and get these grommets on. Alright, so I was able to get the plastics on. It's kind of a little up close and personal here. But I got the plastics on. And we're good to go. Alright, so got everything hooked back up. Got the driver's side axle in. It's kind of a pain kind of get it into the transmission there, but I was able to get it, got everything secured, and we're good to go. But what I did have to do was actually loosen this to get the axle in between, and just actually drop the lower control arm here just to be able to get it up and in there, and was able to work. Had to loosen this bolt here for the lower control arm so it could pivot down, but got it in there, so I'm happy with it. So we'll see what else I can do here today, and always making progress. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I appreciate you guys coming by and checking out the garage, checking out the progress of the Civic build. We did finish up the fuel system as far as getting all the plastics on. That's completed now. The only thing I need to do now is get my fuel filter, get that hooked up, get everything hooked up with the fuel system, and then we'll be good to go. But I did get all the axles in, so the driver's side axle is in as well as the passenger side. So we are good to go here. Everything's tight. I went ahead and even installed or hooked up a new slave cylinder. So I got that all hooked up and tight. I'll come back and hook up some more hoses, and we're getting closer to getting this thing fired up. So stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. Please follow me along as I get this thing started. It's the most progress with any car I've ever built, so we're on the way. So check out the next video. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.